guys, Brendan from RC Flyer here. I'm out flying, guys. It's been a long time. Snow's finally gone from the Carolinas. I'm gonna take up one of my favorite planes just for a little flight, so let's check it out. I'm gonna be taking up the Tundra. Fun plane. I like this plane, very capable. And let's take her up. All right, guys.
Reverse. Throttle off. Timer start. Forward. Reverse. Forward. Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps.
All right, guys, let's take her up. Let's do a nice stock takeoff.
Flaps up.
Such an easy plane to fly, guys. Nice touch and go. Sorry for the sun. A nice loop.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Wind's blowing good today. Oh yeah, look at this plane. Inverted for days. I gotta watch out. It's been a long time since I've flown any planes, guys.
Landing flaps.
Landing flaps are out. Oh, nice.
Flaps up.
All right, let's have a short takeoff. Oh, I'm kind of stuck in a ditch. Ah, come on.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Takeoff flap. Reverse.
There we go.
Forward. Flaps up.
And over. We'll take her to the sky. Throw her up. She doesn't really throw very much, but that's all right. Come right at us. Back over. Let's try a reverse thrust, guys. I don't think I need the flaps. The breeze is pretty good. Actually, I got the flaps out, so we got the flaps out. We're gonna do a reverse thrust though. Look at how slow we're coming in. Reverse thrust. Uh-oh. Oh God, what a save. Oh, that was bad. That was bad, guys. All right, I'm gonna try another reverse thrust. I'm not gonna use flaps this time though. Coming in, zero throttle at first.